Good day to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. Today is another Wednesday, a wonderful time and a wonderful session with our able admin. Guys, we'll be having another mass adoption training today. You missed the previous meetings? You missed this meeting again? What did you miss? You missed a lot. Guys, you miss a lot. Failure to attend mass adoption training, you miss a lot. In the meeting, there is a lot of information directly from the TVC admin. In the meeting, a lot of problems are being solved, not technical problems, but problems that has to do with policies and everything are being solved. People bring in a lot of challenges. In the meeting, we rub minds. In the meeting, we are being trained by the admin himself. A lot of developmental skills, leadership skills, administrative skills, business skills, a lot of skills that can help that is helping in any field of endeavor. Guys, today is another time, that day for mass adoption training by 4 p.m. West African time. Do your best to be in that training. Avail yourself to be in that training. A lot of good news are coming our way. A lot of great things are happening already in the community. We are still in the euphoria of jubilating of our new launch, Ultimate Coin, a love coin. So guys, by 4 p.m. today, don't forget, make it a date. Set your alarm. Set everything that will remind you. Looking forward to see you. Don't miss the meeting. If you miss, you will have missed a lot. Thank you guys. Wish you a wonderful day all through. Don't forget, click on that bell by your right hand side and subscribe to this channel for regular and subsequent informations and updates. Thank you. Bye for now.